Hey guys, it's Control Destroy. I'm Gabe, aka RoboEgo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up augmented reality with your PTC Creo assemblies in 4 easy steps.
So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the Tools tab and then click on Add Thing Mark. So a thing mark is what PTC Creo uses in your phone or tablet to project your assembly onto a sheet of paper. Now, Creo automatically makes this pretty big and quite far away from your robot, so first thing you want to change is make sure it's on the bottom of your robot. Now we need to scale it because right now if we tried to print this, it would be way too big. You wouldn't be able to fit it because the robot is 18 by 18 by 18 inches, so that means that the bottom of this is far too big in order to print. So I'm going to change it to 7.5. so we can fit it on US letter paper. There we go. It's nice in the center of our robot. And we are ready to publish our model. So publishing our model will upload our assembly to a PTC Creo cloud service, and then we'll be able to access it in the app just by scanning the paper when we print it. So we got to select the thing mark that we just made. And go ahead and leave the quality at low. This will make it easier for your phone or tablet to render your assembly. And click OK.
Now, this may take a while to upload, but as long as you're connected to the internet, you'll be fine, and you may get prompted with a dialog box to sign into your Creo account. Go ahead and do that, and then click OK and whatnot, and you should be fine.
So the next thing you're going to want to do after you publish your model is print your thing mark. But before you do, you have to scale it. So there's one of two ways you can do this. You can either share your thing mark and email it to yourself and then resize it in some sort of word processing document or like Photoshop or something like that. Or you can print it as a PDF and then do the same thing.
So as you can see, I emailed myself my thing mark, and I went ahead and uploaded it to Pages just to spite every Windows user ever. So I'm going to go ahead and resize it to the 7.5 inches we did in Creo. Now I'm just going to center it and go ahead and print it.
So this is what my ThingMark looked like once I printed it. So we're going to go ahead and download the ThingWorks app so we can view this in augmented reality.
So once you have the ThingWorks app downloaded, you can go ahead and open it up, click on that bottom right hand icon to scan the thing mark, then go ahead and open automatically. It'll save you time. Let it do its thing, and there you go. You have an augmented reality version of your robot. And you can see you can get pretty up close and detailed with it as long as you don't stray too far away from the thing mark. So if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay in tune for more content like this video. And if you need any additional help, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I see it. You can also call or text our 24-hour hotline at 219-689-6264. Again, I'm RoboEgo, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.